Well, it's that time again. Time for another knowledge nugget, courtesy of Mr. Val Zyl, this time on the freakier side of nature. Let's have a look.
Okay, it is a wasp that does this. I need you to write something down for me because it can be asked for more points in terms of the genus of this particular wasp. The broader category is a mud wasp. To be a bit more specific, most of the mud wasps are what we call parasitic wasps. Are you familiar with parasitic wasps? Yeah. What do? They sting the host, be it a caterpillar or a spider, with venom. The venom paralyzes the host, which is a caterpillar or a spider, and then the female wasp will take the host and put it into a chamber like this, or sometimes you see them attached to the walls of a building underneath the thatch or underneath the chair. Sometimes it forms like an oval type structure. Different types, mud daubers, but they're all the greater mud wasp, dichogenias, all kinds of them. They're all parasitic, like a velvet ant.
The bookmarks on it.
Thank you. And once the egg hatches inside the host, in the larvae stage of the wasp, that larva eats the spider or the caterpillar from the inside out until the host is dead. That is a higher form of protein and nutrition, which then facilitates the pupation process to pupate and become an adult wasp. Parasitic. Then remember, what's the definition of a parasite? Keeps the host alive as long as it possibly can in order to complete its life cycle. Quite freaky, eh? So some of them, like this one specifically, is what we call the get that down, Alipipona. Genus Alipipona. That's what they do. They make that double wall structure. Often confused with what termites do. That termites don't have those little balls of mud. That would be considered to be quite big in terms of the actual segment, the actual ball. On mud puddles, and next to when the mud dries, when the water evaporates, it leaves a rim of soft mud, and that's the mud that they use. Often you'll see like little scratch marks on the side of a puddle, like little scratch marks, tiny little scratch marks, multiple of them. It's like somebody take a very sharp pencil and make little lines in it, and then they can reconstruct it. Mud wasp.